我是 Joyce 老师. Today we're going to be having our first experiment involving water. And today we're exploring hot and cold water. So using hot and cold water, we're going to be exploring diffusion. So before I talk too much, let's go and try our little game for today. Come on, let's try it together. We will need some hot water, cold water, and 2 clear glasses. We're also going to need some food coloring and an eyedropper. But since I didn't have an eyedropper at home, I used a plastic straw. First, we're going to pour some hot water into the glass. Then we're going to pour some cold water into the other glass. Hot and cold. Using our eyedropper, or in my case the plastic straw, we're going to add a few drops of the food coloring into the hot water. And don't forget to add some food coloring into the cold water as well. Watch how the food coloring spreads through the glasses. Which glass does it spread through faster? I would suggest for our parents to make sure to add the food coloring to each glass at the same time. You should notice that the food coloring in the hot water is spreading out faster than the food coloring in the cold water. Let's take a closer look. Hot water has more energy than cold water, which means that molecules in hot water move faster than the molecules in the cold water. The food coloring that we added to the water is pushed around by the water molecules. Since the molecules in hot water move around faster, the food coloring spreads out quicker in the hot water than in the cold water. I hope you had fun for our water experiment for today, where we explored diffusion. So I hope that you can try it at home as well. And this is Joyce signing off for today. See you next week. Bye!